So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Chromebook's Wi-Fi just isn't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main problem, the main issue that can sometimes happen here is that your Chromebook can sometimes have some random Wi-Fi problem. So the best thing you can kind of do here is to try just going through and restarting your Chromebook. So go through right in the inside and try holding down the buttons you have and try powering off your Chromebook completely and then try powering it back on. So try doing that a couple times, try completely powering down your Chromebook, try turning it back on. And for a lot of people, that will probably end up fixing the problem for you. Sometimes it can be just as easy as that. Now, one thing you can also do if you don't want to completely power it down, if you're working on something, you can go inside of your settings app of your Chromebook and just try toggling off your Wi-Fi and turning it back on. So just come right here, turn off your Chromebook Wi-Fi, turn it back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. Sometimes that might end up doing it too. If that's still not doing it, you might actually have to go through and try forgetting your Wi-Fi connection and then turning it back on basically. So try like forgetting it, try going into your Wi-Fi connection, forgetting that, and then going through and try re-adding it in or trying to connect back to it. And for a lot of you as well, that could probably end up fixing it too. If that's still not working, try restarting your Chromebook one more time. See if that's ending up kind of fixing it, or try to temporarily connect to a different Wi-Fi, and that might end up fixing it as well. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.